If you want to set your Steam profile back to public, then you found the perfect tutorial for this. My profile right now is set on private, which means strangers and not even my friends are allowed to see my game details, hours spent in games, achievements and all that kind of stuff. So when you are on private, strangers and friends are not allowed to view all those details, and you have few options. You can set only your friends to view all those details. The private Steam profile will not allow anyone to view those details, and if you want to set it back to public, everyone can see those details despite if they are your friends or not. This information will become public for anyone, and I will show you how to set your profile back to public. So for that you have to reach your profile. If you don't know how, you have to hover your mouse until your profile pops up, click on it, and once you are on your profile page, select edit profile from here to reach the general Steam settings. Now we are interested in privacy settings from here, and you can locate at the top my profile private. Let's select public from here, and as you can see I set my Steam profile to public. And also if you want to share the game details, the friend list and also the inventory, you will have to set all those back to public.